Come on, just go on. You can go a little more. You can't ever doubt. Keep the rhythm, keep the rhythm. Don't go faster, take your time. Balance up, take your time. Look up, look up, look up, look up, look up. Very light with your hands, because you don't want him to start pulling. Relax. Look up, look up. Whoa. See, it's tough to get that 5 in there. Good, keep going. Easy does it to get the 5. Whoa. It's hard, isn't it? You're gonna find out the regular pace is a piece of cake. Take your time. Make the last one your best one. Take your time. Look up, balance up. You're going up over the top. Good, that was probably your best fence.